chicharon, no? Patok na patok yung chicharon mo eh.
Hi darling, the kids send their love to you. Hey baby, is everything fine?